This lane isn't meant for vehicles like this, but one came anyway. And what followed turned a quiet drive through the Derbyshire countryside into a bit of a problem. At first it feels straightforward enough, a bit narrow but manageable, as long as nothing comes the other way, and it doesn't take long before something does.
Tell it's a bit narrow.
This is Park Lane through Wingfield Park, open farmland, scattered cottages, and a narrow road that winds its way through it. Most of the time no real trouble, just a normal country lane. If you're wondering where this is, it's just here, near Alfreton. What starts as a peaceful run through the countryside can turn into a bit of a test. Not because the roads are especially difficult, but because it only takes an oblivious driver to change everything. So here you have it, lovely views, a nice relaxing drive, taking it easy, driving it steady. But it doesn't stay that way for long. Another blind bend and no way of knowing what's coming, so you ease off the gas and get ready to brake.
I think one day I done all what I did and I thought, bloody hell, I'll try this way. It's like you just went somewhere.
This one works out just about. They're turning behind us, so it becomes a bit like a car tango.
Yeah, easy, easy, and then squeezy, back in.
Must be local traffic doing what local traffic does, and you expect they know the road, or should do if they live round here. But do they? And then something doesn't look right. Why is that car reversing towards us? And then you see why. A delivery van. Must be a 7.5 tonner. Isn't that classed as an HGV? I guess there's not much option, just edge as far in as possible and hope it fits. Eventually it gets through.
That's another one for me tight squeezes in the countryside.
And not much further along you're met with confusion, like, why is that car stuck? And why is that other car stopping?
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Is it? Oh, right, no problem.
What's happening?
I don't know. Something stuck.
I'm stuck. Oh, you're stuck, Colin.
Oh dear.
Whether this resulted because of the delivery van or it had occurred earlier was unclear. And seeing help was on hand, we decided it best just to clear off. And just when you think you can relax again, here comes another. Just a slow pull-in to let it pass.
Bit busy today, isn't it?
Yeah.
I never had this problem when I were in van, you know. There were no traffic up here.
No.
You're welcome, pal.
And then the lane starts to climb again, and you're thinking if you'd ever bother to drive this one again.
Could have been this farm, actually. But yeah, no, I don't think I'm going to do this one again in a hurry.
Yeah, why not?
To the Derbyshire Dales. Yeah, I want that one. Touring the Derbyshire Dales. It's because of that road closure. That's what it is.
Yeah.
They're zooming up and down here.
And eventually we come out at Parkhead.
Alfreton. I'm not going Alfreton. Now turn left here.
Yeah.
Back onto the main road.